Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable pin history on Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click Computer Configuration. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand System. Click Pin Complexity. Click and open History. Check Enabled. Change values of pin history. The value must be between 0 to 50. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.